Hello Pose! This is Trick and welcome to another episode of Trick Tries. As promised, bukod sa Jologs Travel Vlog na Tricksters PH, dito tayo sa series na to magta-try ng ibang mga ganaps bukod sa travel. And in this episode, aktingan ng labanan as Trick Tries! Basic Acting! A few months ago, I shared with you my experience joining Philippine Educational Theatre Association, or PETA's workshop weekends. To recap, they offer 3 courses. Theater Arts, dito ko kayo sinama last time. Creative Musical Theater, para sa mga musically inclined. And last, dito kayo isasama ngayon, which is yung Basic Acting, para naman sa mga experienced actors. Wow, experience! Same format, workshop runs every weekends, and facilitated by artist teachers. Personally, Theater Arts was more of self-exploration and finding confidence in performing. It also gave us an overview ng iba-ibang aspects ng theater, and isa na doon yung acting, which is yun naman yung focus for this workshop na Basic Acting. You learn the basic knowledge, skills, and attitude in becoming stage actors. I-enhance din niya yung acting tools mo by exploring different acting styles and principles. Yung talagang pag bibinigay na character sa'yo, kaya mo talaga siyang bigyan ng buhay.
Kaya mo iniwan ang iyong anak. Makikita mo, babaeng ka na. Dapat sa'yo hagupitin. Ngayon yan!
Hindi pasa.
Saan mo iniwan ang iyong anak?
Ba't hindi pinigilan? Walang pumigil. Totohanan na.
Okay, masyado yatang in character yon. Dati akala ko yung acting puro internalization lang.
Di ka niya mahal. Di ka niya mahal.
Pero tinuruan nila kami ng iba pang modus na tinatawag na physicalization. Example, pwede mong i-alter yung breathing mo, yung speed of movement mo para mapalabas mo yung specific emotion na kailangan mo para sa eksena. Hindi lang pala siya basta kabisado in delivery ng line. Sobrang daming work behind the scenes and talagang kailangan mo ng disiplina.
Backstage.
Hi!
Bawal pa ba mag-vlog?
Alugogin mo sa kwarto. Tingnan mo sa ilalim ng patre.
Sorry, ano yung naka-host nila yung side stage?
So naitawid ko yung previous workshop ng pakit-pakit lang. This workshop definitely threw me out of my comfort zone. Nabigyan ako ng mga mature roles.
Saktan kita hanggat gusto ko!
And iba pang roles. Basic acting. Ito yung in-enroll natin. Ganda. 2 hours na kami sa kilay. Yan, so yung makeup ko 2 hours, pero yung eksena ko 5 minutes. So ito yung pag-go out of comfort zone. Okay. Talaga namang na-push kaming lahat para i-widen yung range ng acting namin. At the end of the whole workshop, i-apply nyo yung lahat na natutunan nyo sa isang showcase. Ito yung parang recital where you can invite your friends and family. Unlike sa theater arts na students yung magsusulat ng play nila, with basic acting, you actually perform actual PETA plays. Scenes from 3 PETA plays yung ipa-perform namin to highlight what we've learned throughout the workshop.
Ako nagmahal! Nagkaroon ka!
Nakast ako bilang Emperatrice sa isang all-male cast na PETA play na Romulus the Great. Comedy siya, pero yung na-assign na scene sa amin is medyo pick na nung play para ma-highlight yung acting skills.
Tingnan mo ka! Sinuko mong sarili mo! Akala mo kasi, kaya mo rin ako na bawal lang ang gusto! Pinagpinawa mo to noon pa man, pero wala pagpapakapalit! Do you think ikaw ang tama? Bumabagsak na ang Roma! Naging traitor ka sa Roma! Hindi! Naging judge ako ng Roma! Roma na! Tama na! Pumunta na kayo ng CCA at sa pag-uusap natin.
Tinaas pa nila yung challenge during this workshop run kasi inassign pa nila kami mag-monologue in public na parang medyo flash mob yung dating.
Batugan ka lang talaga, kama!
Nababaliw na! Bangon mula sa alikabok!
Surprisingly, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung part na yun, especially yung may kalampagang nagaganap sa CR.
Sumigaw ka, babae! Pasakan mo ang iyong bibig! Isigaw mo ang pagdurusa! Gawin mo ba ito ang sarili? Gawin mo ang gusto mo!
Sobrang iba yung atake and yung mga learning na makukuha mo from each course. Pero what's constant is you meet interesting people from different walks of life and you end up being friends with them. Group hug!
Mabuhay, Rama!
Kung feeling nyo theater is only for those na may experience na and walang stage fright, don't worry kasi when I started, sobrang mahihain ako and ngayon walang yana ako. Hindi na ako masyadong nahihiya. Magbabalik ang workshop weekends ng PETA starting July 15 and workshop will run all weekends hanggang August 20. Full details niyan below sa description para sa mga interested. Hindi ko man plan i-pursue for now yung stage acting pero lahat ng mga natutunan ko sobrang na-apply ko sa life in general. That's it. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung video na to. And shout out from last episode's question kina Romel Quizon and Zeus Felix. Hello guys. And thank you din sa mga iba pang nag-share about their summer sa comment section. Mukha namang na-enjoy nating lahat ang ating summer in our own ways. As for this episode's question, syempre kasama pa rin natin ng PETA at may pag-giveaway tayo. Dahil hindi lang workshop weekend sa magbabalik din ang Care Divas as part of PETA's 50th anniversary starting today hanggang July 30. Just comment below and mag-quote ng iconic Pinoy movie line na talagang tumatak sa inyo.
Oh yes! Kaibigan mo ako! Pero bang sinota mo ako eh.
I'll pick 2 lucky subscribers to win free Care Diva tickets and i-announce ko yung winner sa next Trick Tries episode natin on July 8. Be sure to subscribe to my channel para valid ang entry nyo. Yon! If this is your first time seeing me, welcome to my channel. For more travel and kajologsan and videos like this, subscribe to my channel. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. That's it! See you next video! Bye, pose!
Ayan po siya, ang sakripisyo niya para sa role niyang Julia.